Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into a gripping story that's shaking the political landscape of Zimbabwe. Nelson Chamisa, one of the most prominent opposition leaders, has just resigned from the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC. But this decision didn't come out of the blue. It's the result of relentless harassment and a brutal history of violence. So what's next for him? Let's break it down. First, let's rewind to 2007. Chamisa was a member of the Movement for Democratic Change and was severely beaten at Harare Airport by agents of Zimbabwe's Central Intelligence Organization, or CIO. This attack almost cost him an eye, and was a stark demonstration of the lengths to which Robert Mugabe's regime would go to maintain power. Fast forward to today and it seems those violent tactics haven't disappeared. Chamisa's recent resignation is a direct consequence of the increased threats and violence from the CIO and the so-called Green Bombers, a group of 1,000 young military recruits deployed by President Emerson Mnangagwa to intimidate opposition members. Imagine trying to fight for democracy when the very institutions meant to protect citizens are out to get you. Chamisa made a bold post about real change coming to Zimbabwe, and it seemed to strike a nerve. The CIO reportedly threatened him, pushing him to the edge. For Chamisa, forming a new political party under these conditions felt like an impossible task. His resignation has left many wondering, what's next for him and for the opposition movement in Zimbabwe? Now let's talk about Felix Magalela Sibanda's controversial strategy. He suggested that CCC youths infiltrate the army, CIO, and police to protect themselves. This advice is radical, but it speaks volumes about the desperation and fear felt by those in the opposition. It's a risky move, but in a country where political violence is rampant, it might be a necessary one. But the drama doesn't stop there. At a recent CCC rally in Chinhoyi, a bomb exploded, and Chamisa narrowly escaped an alleged assassination attempt. The CCC claims that the CIO tampered with evidence to cover up the attack. If true, this points to a terrifying level of corruption and interference in the justice system. Despite the resignation and the escalating threats, Chamisa's fight for democracy is far from over. The opposition is calling for a thorough and impartial investigation into the bombing incident. They demand accountability and justice for the heinous acts committed against them. So, where does this leave Zimbabwe? The political landscape is more volatile than ever. Chamisa's resignation is a significant blow to the opposition, but it also highlights the systemic issues plaguing the country. The international community is watching closely, and pressure is mounting for real change. Chamisa may have stepped down from his leadership role in the CCC, but his influence and determination to bring about change remains strong. His resilience in the face of such adversity is a testament to his commitment to democracy and human rights. Stay tuned, folks. The fight for Zimbabwe's future is far from over. And as Chamisa continues to navigate this treacherous political landscape, one thing is clear: the quest for democracy is relentless. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.